So I now have my break before my studio class, which is my last class of the day. But in the morning I had 2 lecture classes, so I was in class for about 3 hours, just sitting there listening to stuff about art, you know, and I really couldn't record in there. I tried with my phone, but I don't know, there's literally signs everywhere before you go into lecture classes that say no recording devices, so I was like, I am not about to get called out in this auditorium. So yeah, I couldn't record in there, sorry. Okay, so we have a very special box. Finally, the washi tapes that I designed last year are here. I'm just going to show you guys all of them. I'm very excited. Let's see. So it's also including a different type of washi tape that I've never done before. And I guess because of the material, it's technically not washi tape. But, so firstly, I have fishy tape. And this is just going to be the one that I keep. So, little guys, little fishies. And then we have a thicker tape, which is a tomato tape. You guys know I've been really into tomatoes, so this is the tomato tape. And then we have this I Love Sparkles tape, which is a clear matte tape. So, see him? He likes to eat plastic, so I gotta get him out of here. So, it's kind of in a way like more like a sticker washi tape. So it's matte and it's clear, but it's not sticky until you cut and peel off the backing. So I think that's to like preserve the finish of it, but yeah, they're just like little sparkles and it's matte and clear, so I think this would be like a really cute accent tape for like journaling and stuff. But yeah, these are the 3 tapes I need. Look at what he's doing. What are you doing to get to this plastic? What are you doing to get access to this? I got some new Tombos, but more notably, I got 2 of my favorite color, which is the 673. The one that I do have has finally completely dried out, so I just went ahead and got 2 of these because I use this color so much. And they were actually the last 2 at the store too, so very happy. No, no. No, Salem. With the new year, I've been trying to look for new sketchbook practices, as you guys probably can tell, because I've been working on a hobonichi, which if you don't know what a hobonichi is, it's essentially just like a daily planner that a lot of people use as a sketchbook. But I decided to also start this little sketchbook because I've been seeing Art Choose sketchbook tours and stuff like that, and she does a lot of like one color only sketchbooks. And she's done a pink one, she's done a green one, and I decided to do one. I decided to do a pink one because I've been trying really hard also to loosen up a lot more with my drawing, just like get as much sketchbooking in as I can, because honestly, sketchbooks is where your ideas come from. It's where you go to like creatively warm up or creatively vent in a way. So yeah, I decided to get like a little $5 sketchbook. I don't remember what the brand of these is called, but it's like those sketchbooks that are super cheap. And they have like a ton of pages and stuff. So I picked up this little one and I got all my pink supplies and I started scribbling in it, and it's been really nice. I've been having a lot of fun in it. But yeah, I just wanted to like make you guys aware. Art Chu in general is like a really good artist to follow if you're trying to become more loose or get more into a sketchbooking practice, because I think she has some really cool things to say about sketchbooks and also just has really cool sketchbooks in my eyes. Goodbye. I buy direct brown glasses. Hello, Warby Parker glasses. So these are my new pair of glasses, and I always get so many questions about my glasses, so I thought that we could give them a proper goodbye. These are from I Buy Direct. They are the style 6'2", and they have served me well, but they are very scratched up. They are very loose. They are just like not an amazing frame to have for a long time. And whenever I was ready to get new glasses, I tried to see if I could replace the lenses, like not even necessarily through I Buy Direct, but through like an optometrist or something. And apparently you can't. At least not that I've been able to find. You really can't replace I Buy Direct lenses. I don't know if it's because of how the frames are structured or something. But yeah, these lenses I think were the cheapest option. Like I just got prescription on them and I didn't get anything else, which I regret. I wish I would have invested more into my glasses, because the more years that I've been doing work like close up, I'm still in school and stuff like that, my eyes just experience so much strain. I don't know if it happens to you guys. Like even if I've been doing it for long enough without glasses, I will even get like motion sick. Like I feel nauseous. It's very strange, and sometimes it can really lower my productivity. So I got new glasses. These are from Warby Parker. I don't remember the style. I want to say it's Wilhelmina? I don't know, but they're almost the same shape, because I think this shape is the most flattering for my face. These are slightly bigger, and they're both square, which again I think is like the most flattering for me. I wish I could wear like smaller, bolder glasses, but I just can't. My face can't take it. So with my face shape, these are the most flattering. And I also chose this colorway because I feel like, again, my face is so, my features are so soft. Like if I wear something too intense, they get lost. So yes, new glasses. Hello everyone, I thought we could wrap up today's video with a little tour of what is in my art box when I go to school, because I'm really passionate about it and I really like watching like clips like that. I don't know if you guys are interested in it, but I love seeing what people put in their bags and their school stuff. So I wanted to show you guys. This is a Toyo steel art box. It's also like a toolbox or any sort of thing like that. They have different sizes, but I got this size, which is like, I want to say they're medium size because they have a bigger one and a smaller one. So this is what I'm able to fit in here. It's kind of unorganized. I've been thinking about getting like a smaller bag to hold my writing stuff, but currently I'm only taking one studio class and I'm taking fundamentals of graphic design, and I've technically already taken design one, but with transferring and stuff like that, it kind of just like didn't count. So yeah, currently taking graphic design, and this is sort of stuff that we have, and kind of just have it like thrown in here. But I have a roll of transfer paper. I have a big boy of Elmer's glue. I have 2 of these Uhu sticks, which I'm actually going to only keep one in here because I do not need more stuff. I got this Pebeo artist marker just because like I wanted a black marker. Yeah, just something to fill in faster because we have to do a lot of sketches with marker. So yeah. I have my Olfa knife with the replacement blades because this is very important for cutting down boards and stuff. So I have this. I have my slightly cheaper acrylic gouache just because like it comes in a bigger container and stuff, but this is the Liquitex, as you can see, Mars Black. I do have this Holbein one, but it came in the set of these Holbein acrylic gouache primary ones because we were required to get this set, and really because we needed these, but I know this might come in handy like for me personally later, so I kind of just wanted to use this for my class so I could keep that one for myself. And then I have 2 gray Tombow markers because we were required to get gray markers, and I just really love Tombows. They feel very intuitive for me. So I have a ton of microns because design, when you're designing and stuff, you need microns. So I have a bunch of different sizes of microns. I always have these laying around in drawers. So microns, and then just like pencils, this Pentel eraser because she really wanted us to get like this like push-up eraser to get details and stuff. X-Acto knife, of course. X-Acto knife is kind of used in everything. 3 Princeton paintbrushes. Princeton is just my favorite, so I know that when this class is over, I'm going to use this for my personal practice and maybe for classes later on. So yeah, that's kind of what I have. Stuff that was required, and then kind of like me bringing in my knowledge as to what I know typically happens in studio art classes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is kind of like what my life has been looking like lately. But for the next one, I'm definitely going to do a like how I manage my time being a student and owning a business. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. So before we close out today's video, I wanted to discuss the sponsor, which is of course Squarespace. If you don't know what Squarespace is, it's an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website, and they are the platform that I have always used to run my website and my online art business. They have some tools that make it really easy for me. Commerce tool, you keep track of your inventory, your customer data, all of your order numbers, etc. Their website templates make it very easy to use to get your website up and running, but they're also super customizable so you can make it match your brand and all that. And they also offer mobile versions of Squarespace, so if I'm ever on the go, don't have access to my computer, and I need to change something on my website, I can definitely do that, which is super handy. So if you're interested in Squarespace, you go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and you can use my code for 10% off your first purchase.